Fun and practical uses of wine corks. Ever wonder what to do with that growing collection of wine corks? Besides being a reminder of your favorite vintage, these little corks have a plethora of alternate uses that are both practical and fun. Let's dive into some creative, tested, and recommended ways to give those wine corks a second life. Number 1. Crafty coasters. Transform your wine corks into coasters that not only protect your table, but also add a touch of rustic charm to your home. Slice the corks into thin discs and glue them onto a cork board or sturdy fabric. Arrange them in a pattern you like and voila, custom-made coasters. Number 2. Chic keychains. Create unique keychains that are not only functional, but also stylish. Drill a small hole through the top of a cork, insert a screw eye hook, and attach a key ring. You can even decorate the cork with paint or beads for a personal touch. Number 3. Garden markers. Wine corks are perfect for labeling your garden plants. Write the plant name on the cork with a waterproof marker and then push a wooden skewer or a sturdy stick into the bottom of the cork. Place it in your garden bed to keep track of what's growing where. Number 4. Bulletin board. Make a custom bulletin board for your home, office, or kitchen. Glue corks onto a frame or a piece of plywood in a tight mosaic pattern. This not only provides a functional space for pinning notes, but also serves as a piece of art. Number 5. Furniture protectors. Cut wine corks into thin slices and attach them to the bottom of chair legs and other furniture. This simple trick prevents scratches on your floors and reduces noise when moving furniture around. Number 6. Cork trivets. Save your countertop from heat damage with a do-it-yourself cork trivet. Glue whole corks together in a circular or square pattern. The cork material is heat resistant, making it perfect for holding hot pots and pans. Number 7. Jewelry organizer. If you're tired of tangled necklaces, use wine corks to create a jewelry organizer. Mount a cork board on the wall and attach corks in a decorative pattern. Insert small hooks into the corks to hang necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. Number 8. Cork bath mat. For a unique and eco-friendly bath mat, glue wine corks together in a rectangular shape. Ensure they are cut in half lengthwise to create a flat surface. This bath mat is water resistant and adds a natural aesthetic to your bathroom. Number 9. Bird feeders. Create a simple bird feeder by gluing a few corks together to form a small platform. Attach it to a tree branch with some twine and add birdseed. Enjoy watching the birds flock to your new feeder. Number 10. Wobbly table fixer. Got a wobbly table or chair? Wine corks to the rescue. Slice a cork and wedge it under the short leg of the table or chair to stabilize it. It's a quick and easy fix that's practically invisible. Number 11. Cork vase fillers. Add a rustic touch to your floral arrangements by using wine cork as vase fillers. They can help hold the stems in place and add a decorative element to your vases. Number 12. Plant pot drainage. Place a few wine corks at the bottom of plant pots to improve drainage and prevent waterlogging. Corks allow excess water to escape while keeping the soil in place. Number 13. Wall art. Create stunning wall art by arranging wine corks in different shapes and patterns. Glue them onto a canvas or directly on the wall for a unique and textured piece of art. Number 14. Mini planters. Hollow out the center of a wine cork and add a small succulent or air plant. These mini planters are perfect for windowsills or as desk decor. Number 15. Cork stamps. Make custom stamps for your crafting projects. Carve simple designs into the flat ends of wine corks. Dip them in ink or paint and stamp away on paper, fabric, or even walls. Number 16. Cork fire starters. If you enjoy camping or have a fireplace, wine corks make excellent fire starters. Soak them in rubbing alcohol, store them in a sealed jar, and use them to get your fire going quickly and easily. Number 17. Cork USB holder. Keep your USB drives organized and easy to find by drilling a hole in a wine cork. Insert the USB drive into the cork, and it will stand out among your other office supplies. Number 18. Corkboard game pieces. Replace missing pieces from your board games with wine corks. Cut them to size and color them as needed. It's a simple and cost-effective solution. Conclusion: wine corks are versatile and can be repurposed in many creative ways. From home decor to practical household solutions, these little corks can do it all. Stay safe, stay secure, and the next time you pop open a bottle of wine, save the cork and try one of these fun and functional do-it-yourself projects. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.